Hi there. Just a quick video today. I wanted to tell you about a charity motorbike ride that's happening. There's a legend called Helmet Head and he's brought a Honda Vision. Only has about 7 horsepower and it can only do about 28 miles an hour without the rocket boosters. Next weekend he's doing a charity motorbike ride and it would mean so much to him, to me and everyone involved if we could help get him closer to his £1,000 he wants to raise for charity. The charity is PTSD UK. It helps so many people across the UK and it would mean the world if we could get him closer to his target. This guy's been a supporter of the channel ever since the start and it'd be amazing if we could help him back. So if you can afford to do so and you're feeling charitable, the link is down below and it'd be amazing if we could donate. As little or as much as you can will help him get towards his target. And it was just a quick video to say really. Next weekend I'm going with him on his trip. Me, Helmet Head, the Sidekick, Fentor and some other legends too. So it's going to be a great video and I just wanted to do a quick shout out to encourage anyone to donate if you're feeling charitable. This guy's been helping so many people and he's such a great guy. He puts so much effort into his videos and the charity are fully on board with his adventure. That's about it really, that's all there is to say in this video. It was just a quick shout out to say that he's about to do something legendary and it'd be amazing if we could help support him. The other thing I wanted to quickly say in this video was unfortunately yesterday I was knocked off my motorbike. Now thankfully it was all very slow. I was at a traffic light and the gap between car 1 and car 2 was massive. I changed lanes and just as I moved over into the second lane, car 2 decided to blindly drive forward and close the gap. She knocked me and my motorbike fully over and there are a few scuffs. Hopefully I'm feeling better for next weekend's charity trip. I've already donated so he's got my support whether I'm there or not. I just wanted to say, if you're out there commuting, really think, do you need to take your pride and joy into London? It's really changed my view on things, and I just wanted to say, watch out for yellow Nissan Micra drivers. But anyway, back to the main purpose of this video. If you're feeling charitable, Helmet Head's going to do something great. It's a fantastic charity, and it would mean the world if we could help support him. So, the link is down below, and I would highly encourage you to do it. It'd be amazing if you could help, and thank you so much for watching. Wow. Really does make everything taste better. Thanks so much for watching. This is Helmet Head's channel up here on the screen. The link to donate and the link to his channel is down below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry it's a bit low energy this time, but as you can tell, being knocked on your motorbike isn't great fun, no matter what speed it's at. So thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you again soon.